Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 11 from scratch on solid state drive. So but you have to download the solid state driver like it's shown here. You can find it, this is on Dell side, so selected, you can download here. This is a driver here, so download it in here in a USB, it's here. So and downloaded the installation video on here. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now here to restart the computer and press top key. So now boot it with the USB. Now here is the Windows menu loaded here. Install, starting Windows, now click here, go next, custom installation, and see there is no solid state drive, so that's the driver you have to load it in here. Browse, go in here, and that's the driver I downloaded on the website. So now solid state drive is loaded in here. Click next. Now see here there's all partitioning here, so I'm going to delete this partition and delete this partition and delete this recovery partition and delete this OS partition. So now create a new partition in here. Click new here and apply, and I'll format this drive, partition 3. So now go next, and it's loading. Now here is the trick, install the Windows without internet. So I don't want to connect the internet, so it's gonna be shift F10. There's a two method. One is OOBE/bypass and RO and hit enter. Then gonna be reboot the computer after that. But another method is task manager and hit enter. Go there's a network connection flow and task. Close this one and see there is no more internet required.